Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some of my favorite plugins. Let's start with Humaaans Illustrations. Second one, export to one size, and finally I'm going to show you color ranges. Okay, let's start with the Humaaans Illustration. Humaaans Illustration is designed by Pablo and it's having a lot of beautiful illustrations available inside XD itself. So you can search everything from XD itself from this plugin, and you can just download the SPC versions into the book. See a lot of illustrations. So you even can search from the search box. Let's choose one of the illustrations and say done. Copies to the clipboard and you can paste it into the artboard. And you can edit the illustration by selecting each one of the parts. You can choose Control, select the object, next plugin is all about export only one side. This plugin is very useful when you are working on a huge project and you want to export only one object or one artboard into only one size, 1x or 2x or 3x. Normally in XD, if you want to export, you need to select the item and select export, right click export selected, then you have to choose from the various options. But from this plugin, you can just select whatever object you want and choose only 1x or 2x or 3x. It's very easy. I will show you how to do that. Let's see. Choose the artboard and go to the plugin. Select the plugin and choose one of the options you want. For example, if you want 3x, just click on 3x and choose the folder name you want to export to. Then the exported image is available in the folder in 3x size. So simple. Let's see the option to export as 1x. You can do it with multiple object selections and you can export into multiple files as well. Okay, now let's talk about color ranges. Color ranges is very handy to change the color of an object, which is mainly used for the solid colors. And if you choose more than one color object, it's automatically changed for all the objects colors. In Pro version we have stroke and text options as well. I'm using a normal version, so I have the option for that. Hope you like this video. Thank you.